I'm gonna finish the kitchen, finally. It's time to finish this paint and get it up in the kitchen. Guys, these insects are really becoming an issue. We can't film, like, you can hear that. It's terrible, and it's even worse outside. So I'm just gonna have to put you guys on a time lapse and get some work done. Today we're building a wall. You just picked up a gigantic log. Yeah. That's impressive, my love. Okay, well now the insects have finally kept quiet, we can tell you what is happening. So at the moment I'm busy building this little wall, and the idea is that the ground is going to be pushed to the wall, and JB is going to put a French, what do you call it? A French gutter? French drain. A French drain. So basically if any water comes through the ground, the French drain will collect it, and it's going to be diverted down to the front of the house. Whew, I'm out of breath. And then, while I do that, JB, say hi everybody.
Hello.
They miss you, by the way, in the last vlog. Sometimes you just need a little break from the videos. He is going to remove the bark off this log. And this log is going to be the first pillar or first beam for the new roof. That works very easily.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to close the door.
Nice. I think. Back-breaking. JB's doing an amazing job removing all the bark. Really excited to see those all varnished and beautiful, and yeah. It is a super windy day today. It's actually kind of nice, it's cooling down the air a bit. I am going to go and fetch all of the wood and start bringing that up There's still a few more down at the bottom, I think about 15. So my morning exercise is going to be getting that wood up. We want to start sorting out the balcony and finalizing which pieces of wood we're going to be using.
Boy, Buds. Good boy.
Yeah. Ready? Go. What? Hey, cutie pie. Look at that pretty face. Huh? Look at that pretty face. So I need to... Actually, where are the planches? There are 2 pieces that I need to take all the way up. I need to show a little bit lighter. Okay. Oh, okay, let's do this. Goodness, my body is so sore. We got the wood up. Well, I got the last, I think there were like 8 planks going up and down the hill. I'm going to do another layer of brick. We were just going to do 2 layers, but we decided that we're going to do another layer. So that's my plan for the day, and then also add some more concrete for the gutter, and then I'll probably be done. I'll go to try and sort out this balcony or start selecting the wood. Yesterday I brought up the last few pieces, so today I want to, or Davey and I are going to start working on the deck. We've never really worked with wood before, so it's going to be a bit of an interesting experience, and we also don't have all the right tools. So we don't have the one that makes the wood the same thickness, and we don't have a table saw, so a lot of it's going to be figuring things out, getting frustrated, getting happy. It's going to be a bit of a roller coaster, I think, to sort out this deck. Yeah, the ferreteria doesn't actually have the tools that we need, and if we wanted them we would need to go all the way to San Jose, and we just don't feel like doing a 7-hour drive, so we're just going to figure it out, and yeah, let's see how we can make a nice beautiful teak wooden deck. I'm very excited to see this finally get started. Teak that has been processed and cut a few weeks ago, and they're now dry. They've taken about a month to dry properly, and now we're going to start. Sorry, the wind is very noisy as well. Insects, wind, jungle life. Hey, how's it going?
Very good.
Yeah? You excited to select some teak? Oh, look at that piece of wood. Wow, that is a gorgeous piece.
But there is some, I don't know how many pieces you need with the bar. So you want to keep some?
Yeah, I definitely want to keep some organic. Okay.
So the French drain, apparently I'm French, so I have to present the French drain. I would say there is many ways of doing the French drain, obviously, but there is a principle, and after this I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. So Tash has finished to build. Now we have this wall and we have the ground. We also made yesterday an additional concrete concrete gutter. So all along here, you actually have like a concrete gutter for the water to go down. It doesn't go in the mud because we really want the water to be evacuated from the zone. So all the water that's gonna come through the ground, whatever, has to go away. So here you have the geotextile to protect from the ground, and here you have the plastic to protect the water on the walls. So I know you can also use tar like to protect because it's really waterproof, but I say like for here as it's not critical, plastic will do the job, but tar also can work. So you isolate, and now I need to go perforate my pipe because I have my pipe which is there, but I haven't bought a perforated pipe, so I'm gonna do my own hole here in the pipe with the angle grinder, like and that should do the trick.
Can I help you? It's a beautiful Sunday and we are working, obviously. So my plan for the day is to do some shelving, to start finishing the kitchen. JB is closing in the back of the wall that we had created. And yeah, so I think we're going to say goodbye and we'll see you guys next week. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Thanks for the support and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.